Hi guys, it's Lynne with Softsquares. Today is October 5th, 2024, which means it's time for the Saturday Stitch-uation where we talk about all things quilting in my world. Most of you may know I just got back from vacation with my husband, and so last week's video was done in an airport. Now we are home and I'm having technical issues, which is the story of my life. So I've already filmed this a couple times and here we are. Anyway, this will actually be short and sweet. So those of you that are new, this is where I talk about what's going on with me, which is pretty much everything related to quilting. And so we've got the store, we have projects that I'm working on, and my husband is involved in all that. So it's really cool. I do want to thank all of you that are coming back and watching us, and I hope that anyone that's new will subscribe. Once I hit 7,500 subscribers, I'm going to do a big drawing. So this is where you will find out if I'm doing the drawing and how that's going to work. It will be in a Stitch-uation video just like this. So come back often. I also do a Monday live sale every Monday night at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So it's live at 5 and we do a sale for quilting items. So this is all about quilting. I do want to let you guys know that I am putting together the finishing touches on the Advent boxes. I do 2 large Advent boxes for quilters. The B box is sold out. The A box does have some available. So if you're looking for those, go to softsquares.com under specialty boxes and you will see the A box there. But I am looking for recipes of sweet stuff like treats, candies, cookies, desserts, things like that, that you guys would like to share with me. And I will, within this next week, be compiling something that will go in one of the 2 Advent boxes, and you won't know which box it is. And by the way, the boxes do not duplicate, so you can get both boxes and not have any repeats. But anyway, I need recipes to go in one of those boxes. So I would love for you guys to email me recipes at lynne@softsquares.com. That's LYNNE @softsquares.com. And what else have I got to talk about, Marlon? Are you paying attention to me? We're having issues with shipping. USPS is having some weather issues, plus they have their own issues in general. So just know that if you haven't gotten your stuff, be patient because it's probably stuck in their system somewhere. So we have that problem going on. Is that it?
I think so.
I think so too. Anyway, nothing exciting other than I finished my mystery quilt and I dropped it off at my quilter. I don't do my own quilting, so I'm really excited to hopefully get it back in time to do the video. And any of you that are working on this mystery quilt, I would love to share your finished project with everybody. And it can be, even if you're not completely finished, it doesn't have to be quilted. It could be just the top. It also could be just a section of the quilt if that's all the farther you got. So this mystery quilt was released in July. I do have a couple of those available also in the specialty box section of softsquares.com. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the pattern. It will be available for sale on October 15th. So if you want to send pictures of your quilts so we can show everybody what these look like, because it's been a mystery to everybody working on it what anybody else's quilt looks like. So October 12th is the deadline that I need you to send an email to me with the picture of your quilt or whatever portion of the quilt you have done or that you want to share. And if you don't want to do it, that's okay. So these are for the people that signed up just for the mystery quilt. But those of you who haven't, just know that I will release a video on the 15th, and that's also when I will release the actual pattern for sale. And Leanna, Pastry Queen Farm Adventures, is going to be doing a quilt along using this pattern. So if you are interested in doing that along with her, just know she's going to be announcing that about the time I open up everything. And she did release videos on each clue, but she personally is going to be doing a sew along with this quilt pattern. Now she's already made 2 quilts and she's gonna make a 3rd. She loves this pattern, so that's awesome. And by the way, I will be doing another mystery quilt. It's going to come out in the spring, so it's a ways away, but just know there will be another opportunity. But if you want to get the actual box with everything in it for this quilt, there are a few left. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me, but just know I would love to share the quilts that everyone's working on, and don't feel obligated to send anything in. And those of you that have not gotten very far, that are working on it, that really don't want to see, just know of that date in that video. Don't watch it. So that's how that's going to work. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for hanging out with us, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great day.